Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer any data from USB to Galaxy S26 or Galaxy to USB. So at first time take this USB pen drive and this is a converter. Okay, this is a USB to Type-C converter. Just connect. At first open my file apps. Okay, and just connect this. Okay, now successfully connect this USB drive. Press on. If you want to transfer phone to USB or USB to phone, same way. Press on. Just select any file folder, like select, long press on to move, and follow the top bar. Internal storage, that's mean phone, and USB storage, that's mean USB. Select and select any folder, press on move here. That's it.